Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. That may give you clarity, may answer some questions you have in your circumstances today. So let's start with these cards here. We have Six of Air, Love, and King of Water. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are someone feeling really confident with the way things are going. You are a very uh, devoted person, dedicated, someone really in a good position today in life. Maybe you are an important person in work, maybe a team leader or manager, and you are a very friendly person, generous, compassionate, and you respect people, you respect their uh, work, maybe their ideas, perception, whatever it is, and you have a good understanding of people. You are a very friendly person. So, all those differences you have between yourself and this person, or maybe in your career, all those differences you both maybe with the teammates, whatever it is, maybe their ideas may be different, vision may be different, but whatever it is, you are someone who respects others, who um, takes in others' suggestions and ideas, trying to build a harmonious collaboration in your work. And the same way in this relationship, you are someone trying to find that balance, trying to do things in a harmonious way for both of you. And today, in this relationship, you love this person, you have a level of understanding, you respect them, and this relationship is moving towards a deeper bond, a deeper connection, and you love each other, and you know that this connection is something that is making you feel really close to each other, and you don't expect anything from them just like they don't expect anything from you. It may be an unconditional love, that oneness, intimacy, and harmony is there in this relationship, in this connection, guys. Pisces. And you love each other, and whatever your circumstances may be, maybe there may be times when you feel that you cannot go on like this anymore. Maybe this person and yourself, maybe you may have some arguments or some confusion, whatever troubles you are seeing today, or maybe there were troubles in this relationship. You try to change yourself, you try to understand, be really calm, be really composed. So you are trying to do things in a better way, and your circumstances are also pushing you towards some change. It is making you change yourself on certain things, guys, Pisces. So for your relationship, we picked one card. Sorry, guys. And it says Page of Water. So with this card in your relationship, maybe you are feeling really happy, feeling really um, confident, and you know everything about them just like they know everything about you. That open heartedness, that is what is making this relationship tick. So you want this person to tell you everything, or they want you to tell them everything. So that is what is making this connection work between you guys. So you are really free with each other, telling each other the truth. Whatever you have, you are just revealing all that. So no more secrets between you both. That is what these cards are about, guys. So you are seeing a very good relationship, a positive, meaningful connection. And if you feel that you are not having this connection and things are not going just like the way I said, maybe you can try to be more open with this person, try to be more honest with them. That way things will work out for you guys, Pisces. So for your career situation, Pisces, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. Three of Air. So in your work situation, there are a lot of changes happening. Maybe there may be some delays, some suspensions you may see, and it is for something better. Maybe you may lose some opportunity or offer today, but in place of that, something much better is coming your way. You need to understand that, guys. You need not feel for all that is lost today in your work situation. This too will pass. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. That is the reading for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here for you all today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep the second card here. We will see what is the card. A leg up. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, it just means that you cannot go on like this anymore. And there are opportunities coming in your life, and if you need to embrace those opportunities, or if you need to do something better, you need help, you need that teamwork and interdependence. That is what this card means. So relationships do very well if we work together as a team. When you have people, when you have your person supporting you, and when you support them, it is going to be a very positive, meaningful connection, and you will be met with kindness and love. So maybe you are feeling really vulnerable. You want this person's ideas or suggestions on certain things. You need to ask for it, guys, because they will not know what is there deep down in your heart of hearts. So you need to voice out your request. Maybe you want help, or you want a guidance in something, or you want this person's decision on something, whatever it may be. You need to ask and you will get that help. And trust your circumstances, and you can go forward with this help. You can request their help. There is nothing wrong, guys, with interdependence and teamwork in a relationship. That is going to help you a lot, and this is that time, maybe that time for you to give up all your inhibition, maybe whatever is holding you back from asking. You need to give all that up and ask for help. That is this card's energy here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today in your circumstances you were concentrating too much on yourself, and maybe there is some argument or some kind of a confusion because you want something and this person wants something else, and you don't know what will happen next. So there is some kind of what to say, a lot of things are happening today, and you may feel really sensitive, emotional, and you need to understand whether think within yourself whether you were rushing towards some decisions or some choices, or whether you have been too harsh, too stubborn, holding on to something in this relationship, and maybe you are the reason for the way things are going the way they are today. So you need to come out of it, maybe, and you need to do it what to say, with understanding. So whatever decisions or whatever, uh, maybe you're speaking something, you must not be influenced by how you feel emotionally, but to try to uh, go about any circumstances in a very balanced way. That is going to help you, guys. And you, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up. That is going to help you a lot today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, with these two cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.